let me show you how to send an email in Yahoo Mail. Now it's very easy to do. Under the Yahoo Mail here, you should see Compose. Select this. Now you'll have a choice if you want the email to be in full size or compact. Now compact, it'll just be a small square box, as you can see here in the bottom corner. However, if you want to see more of the mail, select full size and then set as default. You then want to add an email address. I'll just put a pretend email here and add a subject. Write the email body. Then all you need to do is come down to the bottom and press send, and that will send the email in Yahoo Mail. Now if you're on the older version of Yahoo Mail, it's very similar. All you need to do is press Compose again in the same location, add all the information, the email, the subject, come down to the bottom and press send, or here at the very top. So hopefully, whether you're on the new or the old version of Yahoo Mail, that helps you out how to send an email. If it does, smash the like, and if you want to see more helpful videos like this, hit that subscribe button.